Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Kraken Pro UI settings for futures margin, full guide step by step clearly. To update Kraken Pro UI settings for futures margin, start by logging into your Kraken Pro account. Once logged in, navigate to the futures trading interface. In the upper right corner, locate and click on the settings icon. In the settings menu, look for the user interface section. Click on user interface to expand the options. Here, you will find various customization settings for your trading interface. Adjust the display settings according to your preferences, such as theme and layout. Now, locate the margin settings within the futures section. Click on Futures Margin to access the margin options. You will see different leverage options available for your futures trades. Select the desired leverage that suits your trading strategy. Once you have chosen the appropriate leverage, ensure all selected options are correct. After making your adjustments, click the Save button at the bottom of the settings menu. Your settings will update, and you will see a confirmation message. To confirm that your settings have been updated, navigate back to the futures trading page. Check that the margin display reflects your selected options. You are now ready to trade with your new futures margin settings. Always review your settings before executing any trades to ensure they meet your requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.